Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I replace spark plugs on this BMW 5 Series F10. So, let's not waste any time, let's get to it. First things first, we're going to take this off. Just lift it off. And then we're going to use our pick tool to unhook this map sensor connector right here. This one right here. One right here, and there's another one right there. Just like that. We're gonna do it to the other one. See this right here? Just push on this. So now there's 4 cylinder right here. We're gonna take out the coil. This coil, all you gotta do is lift this tab right here. It should just come out. And then you pull on this just like this. I'm gonna set this to the side. Same thing with this one. Pull it. Lift up. Take the connector out. Pull. So for this one, we gotta take this off. So we can have room to go in there. See this right here. This one is on the other side, so we gotta go to the left side. There you go. Now we're gonna use a 14mm spark plugs removal tool. All right, we got one. So we got 4 of them. Now we're gonna change it to a new one. A lot of times, if you want to know the torque specs, they're on the box. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but it says 17 foot-pound. So this butt plugs right here can pre-gap already. We don't need to gap them. I recommend getting one of this tool because in there's a magnet in there, so this won't fall out. Hey, it just snapped on like that. Go ahead and put it back. So now I'm gonna torque this to 17 foot-pound. Now we're just gonna put back the coil. And that way. And then this connector right here, just gonna go in like that. Hear that click? Push down, should lock it in. Go in. And connect, push. That's it. So for this one, it's gonna go in that side, the connectors. Put this back. See this two holes right here? This two hole just gonna light up with this two thing right here. There you go. Good. Alright, now we're gonna do this side right here, passenger side. I'm gonna take this off. that. I'm gonna unscrew this too. There's a tab right here. Need to pull this back. There we go. I'm just gonna lift this up. Make sure you unclip this wires. Take this out. Now, I'm just gonna take this spark plug coil out by lifting this tab. Just lift it up. There, okay, like that, and pull towards you, and that should clip from the connector, and you just pull it out. There's one. If it's kind of hard, use a flat or screwdriver, go in and pull it out just like that. This one's kind of tricky, so you have to take this all out. See right there? This one's on that side, so you gotta lift from this side. One. I'm gonna change it to the same one. we're just gonna torque it down to 17 foot-pounds. Now we're just gonna put it back. Put back the coil. Connect this connectors right here first. This one's kind of hard to get it too, so we're gonna connect it first from here. There you go. And then we're gonna push it down. Alright, it's in. Alright. Next. This connector's right here, if you pull it out and this come off, just put it back in. They just hold on to this plastic right here. And that's it, guys. Very easy and simple. Just putting back your engine cover and you're done. So if this video helps you out, consider like and subscribe to my channels. It motivates me to make more videos like this to help others save money by doing it yourself. And if you want to learn how to change your own O2 sensors or any of my other DIY videos, click right here.